The digital economy is evolving at an unprecedented pace, a whirlwind of innovation and opportunity that's reshaping the very fabric of how we work and earn. It's no longer a question of if, but when, these changes will impact your life. 2025 will redefine how you earn. Forget the traditional 9-to-5 grind. The future of income is flexible, dynamic, and increasingly online. We're talking about a fundamental shift in the way value is created and exchanged, and it's happening right now. Are you ready to tap into powerful online income streams? The possibilities are vast, ranging from leveraging your creativity to building automated businesses that generate revenue while you sleep. It's about understanding the landscape and positioning yourself to capitalize on these emerging trends. Trading time for money is fading. The old model of exchanging your hours for a fixed salary is becoming increasingly obsolete. The future belongs to those who can create systems and assets that generate income independently of their direct time input. The internet now offers opportunities, a global marketplace brimming with potential, connecting you to customers and collaborators across the world. Geographical limitations are dissolving, and the barriers to entry are crumbling, that were unimaginable a decade ago. Fueled by technological advancements and the democratization of information, what once required significant capital and expertise is now accessible to anyone with a laptop and an internet connection. And the barrier to entry is lower than ever. You don't need a fancy degree or a massive investment to get started. The key is to identify the right opportunities and develop the skills necessary to succeed. Welcome to Money Mastery HQ. This is your hub for navigating the complexities of the modern financial landscape. I'm Mohanad, and I'm passionate about empowering individuals to take control of their financial futures. And my goal is to give you practical, no-fluff strategies, cutting through the noise and providing you with actionable steps you can implement immediately to build real wealth. We're not talking about get-rich-quick schemes or empty promises. We're focused on sustainable, long-term strategies that will help you achieve financial security and freedom. Today, we'll break down, dissect, and analyze the top 4 digital income streams, the most promising avenues for generating revenue online in the coming years. Set to explode in 2025. These are the trends that are poised for massive growth and offer the greatest potential for early adopters. Scalable, meaning they have the potential to grow exponentially without requiring a proportional increase in your time or effort. Automated, leveraging technology to streamline processes and create passive income streams that generate revenue even when you're not actively working. And future-proof. These are not fleeting fads. They are sustainable business models built on solid foundations that will continue to thrive in the years to come. We'll cover everything from faceless content creation, tapping into the power of YouTube and other platforms without ever showing your face, to selling products you never touch, exploring the world of dropshipping and e-commerce, where you can build a thriving online store without ever holding any inventory, and even getting paid for your authenticity. Discover how to leverage your personal brand and unique voice to create valuable content and build a loyal following that translates into income. Get ready, because the information we're about to share has the potential to transform your financial future. This could be your blueprint for financial independence. This is your opportunity to break free from the limitations of traditional employment and create a life of freedom, flexibility, and abundance. Let's start with YouTube automation. We're diving into a world where content creation meets cutting-edge technology, allowing you to build a thriving online presence without ever showing your face. This isn't just about making videos, it's about creating a sustainable, scalable business. Building high-value, faceless channels. These aren't your average channels. They're meticulously crafted content hubs designed to attract and retain a specific audience. Think of it as building a digital real estate empire where each channel is a property generating consistent revenue that dominates specific niches. We're talking about identifying underserved markets and creating content that resonates deeply with those audiences. This isn't about being everything to everyone, it's about being the go-to source for a select group of people. By focusing on a niche, you can quickly establish yourself as an authority and capture a significant share of the market. You're not the on-screen talent. You don't need to worry about hair, makeup, or memorizing lines. You're the producer, strategist, and owner of a scalable digital asset. You're the mastermind behind the scenes, orchestrating the entire operation, Your focus is on developing a winning strategy, managing your digital assets effectively, and optimizing your content production workflow for maximum efficiency. AI now handles video ideas, taking the guesswork out of content creation. No more staring at a blank screen wondering what to create. Script writing, crafting compelling narratives that captivate your audience, and even voiceovers providing professional quality narration without the need for expensive voice actors, slashing production time and cost. This allows you to create more content, experiment with different formats, and ultimately grow your channel faster. The secret hyper-niche down. Find a specific area of interest with a dedicated audience. Don't make a generic channel that tries to appeal to everyone. Target a specific audience with laser focus. Understand their needs, their interests, and their pain points. Use AI for scripts and voiceovers, automating the most time-consuming aspects of content creation. Outsource editing, freeing up your time to focus on strategy and growth, and focus on content that keeps viewers watching. Analyze your audience retention data and identify what resonates with them. Monetize through ads, generating revenue from views and engagement. Affiliate marketing, promoting products and services that align with your niche. Digital products, creating and selling your own courses, ebooks, or templates, and sponsorships. Partner with brands that are relevant to your audience and create sponsored content. Each video becomes a digital employee, working tirelessly to generate revenue for you, earning for you 24/7. Even while you sleep, your videos are generating views, clicks, and sales. Set up the system, focus on retention, and scale. Once you have a proven system in place, you can replicate it across multiple channels and niches. This is passive income at its best. It's about creating a system that generates revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Build a media asset that pays you for years to come. Create content that is evergreen and continues to generate revenue long after it's been published. Dropshipping isn't dead, it's evolving. The new model is about micro-niches and AI-powered marketing. Sell unique products to passionate, underserved audiences. No more generic junk or slow shipping. Use AI to brainstorm niche ideas and write compelling product descriptions. Partner with vetted suppliers for fast shipping and reliability. AI tools generate high-converting ads, letting you test and scale quickly. Build a real brand, not just a store. Focus on customer experience and value. Prioritize customer service and fast communication for repeat business. Scale by reinvesting in winning products and campaigns. Dropshipping 2.0 is a calculated, brand-focused, and highly profitable venture for 2025. Turn your skills into high-value digital services, supercharged by AI and automation. Businesses need websites, content, ads, and more. Demand is exploding. Niche down, specialize in a specific service for a specific audience to become the go-to expert. Use AI to speed up research, drafting, editing, and project management. Build a portfolio. Create your own projects if you're just starting out. Find clients on freelance platforms, LinkedIn, or through direct outreach. Charge flat fees or retainers, never by the hour. Value-based pricing rewards efficiency. Productize your service for easier sales and delivery. Integrate automation to scale without burning out. This is how you build a scalable, profitable service business in the digital age. User-generated content, or UGC, is absolutely booming right now. It's transforming the way brands connect with their audiences, moving away from traditional advertising and embracing the voices of everyday people. We're seeing a massive shift in the marketing landscape, and UGC is at the forefront of it all. Instead of relying solely on expensive, highly produced commercials, brands are now actively paying everyday people just like you to create authentic product videos. This approach allows them to tap into a level of trust and relatability that traditional advertising simply can't achieve. It's about showcasing products through the eyes of real users, offering genuine perspectives and experiences. The best part? You don't need a massive social media following to get started. In fact, many brands are actively seeking out individuals with smaller, more engaged audiences, valuing authenticity over sheer numbers. It's about the quality of your content and your ability to connect with viewers on a personal level. Brands are increasingly recognizing that real, relatable content consistently outperforms polished, overly produced ads. Consumers are craving authenticity, and they're more likely to trust the opinions and experiences of their peers than the carefully crafted messages of traditional marketing. It's about building genuine connections and fostering trust through authentic storytelling. So how can you get involved? It's simple. Start making short videos or taking photos using products you genuinely love and believe in. Share your honest opinions, highlight the features you appreciate, and showcase how these products fit into your everyday life. Think about creating unboxings, where you share your first impressions of a product as you open it. Or, perhaps tutorials, demonstrating how to use a product and showcasing its various features and benefits. And of course, genuine testimonials, sharing your personal experiences and explaining why you would recommend a particular product to others. To showcase your skills and attract potential clients, build a simple portfolio highlighting your best UGC content. This could be a website, a social media profile, or even a simple document with links to your videos and photos. Populate your portfolio by creating sample videos for products you already use and love. This will give brands a clear idea of your style, your skills, and your ability to create engaging and authentic content. Once you have a portfolio, start exploring opportunities on UGC marketplaces which connect creators with brands seeking authentic content. Alternatively, you can pitch brands directly with personalized emails, showcasing your portfolio and explaining why you would be a great fit for their brand. Before you start working with brands, it's crucial to understand usage rights, which dictate how they can use your content. Your pricing will depend on how brands intend to use your content, whether it's for social media, website, or advertising campaigns. Make sure you negotiate fair rates that reflect the value you're bringing to the table. The beauty of UGC is that all you really need is a smartphone and a little bit of creativity to get started. You don't need fancy equipment or a professional studio. In fact, the more authentic and unpolished your content looks, the better. No fancy equipment required. Ultimately, UGC offers incredible flexibility, low barriers to entry, and real earning potential for anyone willing to put in the effort. It's a fantastic opportunity for anyone willing to be authentic, share their experiences, and connect with brands in a meaningful way. The creator economy is evolving, and it now values relatability and genuine connection over sheer audience size and perfectly polished content. So step in, embrace your unique perspective, and get paid for your genuine voice and authentic point of view. The world of UGC is waiting for you. There you have it, 4 digital income streams set to define 2025 and beyond. From Faceless YouTube channels to AI-powered dropshipping, supercharged digital services, and paid authenticity, leverage is the key. Each path offers real potential for income and freedom, but you have to take action. Decide which model fits your strengths and start building your financial legacy. Let us know in the comments which strategy you'll try first, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching. See you in the next